worked kind of better the first time.
Give me that. First try.
We totally didn't try making this video a couple of days ago.
It's fine.
And this totally isn't a different microwave because the other one doesn't work.
Hey, I went to this school.
What the fuck?
Why? The plate's gonna be out of whack. Oh.
We don't care about the plate, it just breaks anyway.
It's not. It's worth it.
So we have our safety features this time. This is our fire extinguisher. It works quite well.
I'm not on fire.
This is our lovely Emerson microwave, also with oven function. So that's cool, I guess.
Well.
Oh, that's going already.
What do you mean it's going?
Oh, it's doing a lot more than it did last time.
That's probably because last time the microwave did not microwave. Please explain.
Oh, okay. What are you doing?
Don't worry about it.
Get up here.
Which one?
It worked.
Ah.
Nope. Alright, well, since I put it out, you get it out.
Alright, fair enough.
Where's the other battery?
I don't know.
Oh, is it in the other microwave? I'm gonna go look.
Battery. Oh.
There it is.
I'm being safe.
Why?
That's why.
Yeah, where'd the other half go?
Don't worry about it. Okay.
This is not how to treat batteries.
No, just microwave. Battery is hot.
Here, I'll fix it.
Oh boy.
Is it out yet?
Battery is still hot.
Oh, fuck.
I will assume it's back to working normally.
Now it's ready to put back in your laptop. Oh, I guess this one helps. Here, wait, I want to try throwing it in here. Right?
I feel...
Hey, I did it. I was really thinking about like...
You broke the plate.
Oh no, already?
God damn it, Clay.
Well...
Yes, that was the only solution to that.
Now it's fixed.
There's some plate.
What?
There's water in the microwave. And a battery. And nothing can go wrong.
Do
And
the
that's
same
why-
time that you did last time. That was a good amount. One more.
Back away!
Wait, I need scientific... I need
How is
precautionary
that
measures.
scientific? God damn it.
I'm preemptively putting out the fire.
That's not how fires work.
Nah, I guess not. Oh, no.
That's what fire looks like.
Oh, it smells. There's no wind.
Yes, there is. And it's coming directly at us. There's the worst wind.
It only has 15 seconds.
Please explode.
Yeah, the other one shot flames out the side.
Room for excitement. Yay.
Excitement broom.
2, 1.
Open the door and I'll spray it. Or just don't open the door and I'll still spray it.
That's not helpful.
That's not helpful either. Okay.
That's... God damn it. BAM! So I had to terrify him a little bit.
It's definitely burned.
Not me first. This has a solid schmack to it.
It does. Gonna break the broom.
It's metal.
Yeah, okay.
And now it's safe.
Safety. So we don't think this microwave is personalized enough. So I have some colors here. And we're gonna paint it with Splodes.
How does this...
You gotta take one out.
There's so many of these.
Yo.
Oh, we're doing a...
Yeah, just pull one out. They'll come out. Yeah.
Oh.
I don't
You
know
ready?
how far this is gonna splat, so I'm just gonna run behind the tree.
You should start back there.
Okay. Maybe you should put it.
Upside down.
Yeah.
This can only go well.
Okay. Oh, there it is. I mean, it kind of worked.
That's
The other ones don't have a pre-made hole in them, however. That's fine. Okay.
This one will give me more of a fuse though, so
Yeah, that's true.
why'd I leave the lighter there?
Huh.
How did my big
The
brain
cap is just there.
work? Oh, I left these next to it.
I mean, it kind of worked. I see where it landed. Oh, it's over here again. They're all gonna go over here. Instead of put it on its cap again. This seems to work the best. Huh? Hey, we got a splatter.
Yeah.
This is about to be beautiful.
Well, we're going.
Oh God. Ah, that one made my ears ring.
That's why I closed them on.
Didn't really do much.
Suck. I'm gonna do it without the lid.
Oh, upside down without the lid. Better hurry before it like. Oh, I see the fuse. That's a very short fuse.
It's not. There's more fuse in there.
I would hope so.
Where'd I poop a lighter?
Right there. The lighter's covered. Look at it.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
That's the
Whoa!
move. That's what we do.
That worked.
Okay.
All right.
This one doesn't seem to be dripping.
We'll see. We'll see.
I'm going. Oh Lord!
Whoa! That was quick.
I felt it on my back.
Oh, what?
The splutter. Honestly, this shirt probably won't look bad.
You got a little on it over there.
Yeah, that one wasn't great.
I mean, it worked. Kind of. White.
Wasted.
Put them in different, like, places. Alright, well, now we know to run a little faster. There. Nice. Someone jizzed on our microwave.
It happens. This way we'll have time to escape.
Oh my god.
Plus, this is a good
It
one.
just covered them, yeah. Right, well. I'm gonna film from up here.
It worked.
It did.
Yo, that needs to be spread out a bit more.
Great idea.
Back up, because this one,
Yeah.
it was only one. Whew.
It pushed it about an inch out.
Perfect. But
Lighter?
that is an important thing to have.
You threw it. It's over there.
Why not throw it?
I don't know. Ask yourself.
Yeah. Why not throw it? Okay.
What did yourself say?
Said, shut up, Clay.
Why not just set him down and dump the cup on top of him?
Shut up.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? We'll just, wait, I'm gonna spread them out.
Spread the legs, yep.
Put that on top. At least this one's got a fuse on it.
Yeah.
She's going.
Oh, that's gonna be messy. It's gonna launch it. Why do you keep losing the lighter? It's you threw it again.
Why? When does this happen?
How about you just stop dropping it?
Shut up.
It's gonna be so messy. Ah! Did I get paint? Something hit me in the back of the head.
I have no idea what happened.
I feel like it was. Yeah, it had to be paint. Is there paint on the back of my head?
I don't see any. That one looked real good.
Yeah, that was good. Too bad that was the last one.
Too bad Eli doesn't know where he put the lighter. I like threw it at the ground this time.
Right there.
Yeah.
Well, what are we want to do? Just light someone, throw it in there. Nice.
That makes happy.
Jesus. This thing's pretty airtight. There was no smoke coming out of that before I opened the door.
Alright, well, we may as well do that again. Success!
Jesus. Huh.
That was good.
Whoosh. Can't really see what it did yet.
A lot.
There's a lot of chunks of
I think we definitely have more.
debris.
I'm going for 3. Okay, we're going again, this time 3. I don't know if I'll get all 3, but I'm gonna try. We're good! It's more fun that way.
And whoosh.
Did someone say 4?
4?
Should I do 12 of them at the same time? What?
Come on, wind, blow that shit out of there. You know what? That works.
I'm big brain.
Look at all the. It looks like a fucking. I don't even know.
Looks like one of those.
It's one of those things.
Just
Alright.
bring a garbage down here and then we can push stuff into it.
Oh wait. Wait, I have a garbage.
Alright, first thing, I'm gonna go to your seat.
Stick your foot in it.
Yeah. Keeping shoes on, otherwise I will drip on the carpet.
Why is it always you getting hurt?
Eh. This is about to be bloody as frick.
Is it deep?
I don't know. Ow, it hurts.
Do you want some of that hydrogen peroxide?
Oh, that's gonna suck, but yeah.